Air power has shaped the past century of warfare, but what about the future? In this video, we explore how fighter jets, drones, AI, and global strategies are transforming the skies forever. Welcome to DP Aviation, your one-stop place for aviation knowledge. Let's dive into the future of air power. In today's world, military threats are evolving rapidly. It's no longer just about air superiority, it's about multi-domain dominance. Nations like China and Russia are investing in advanced missiles, stealth aircraft, and space warfare. The skies are no longer safe by default. They must be controlled through smarter, faster, and more connected air power. Modern air forces aren't fighting alone. They're part of a network: land, sea, cyber, and space, all working together. The US Air Force is building something called JADC2, Joint All-Domain Command and Control. This means all military branches share data instantly. A drone spots a target, a satellite confirms it, and the jet destroys it all within seconds. The future of fighter jets is not just manned cockpits but the team of human pilots and AI drones. Enter the 6th generation programs like the US NGAD and Europe's FCAS. These jets will fly with a fleet of unmanned wingmen called Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA). One pilot may command 3 or 4 AI drones in real time, scanning threats, jamming radar, or launching missiles. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. The US military has already flown AI-controlled F-16 jets and tested kill chains where AI helps select and attack targets faster than any human could. But humans will stay in the loop, at least for now. America isn't alone in shaping the skies. China is rapidly developing stealth fighters like the J-20 and J-35. Europe is working on FCAS, a project involving France, Germany, and Spain. It will include a manned aircraft, AI drones, and a digital combat cloud. Even smaller nations are investing in drones and air defense tech to protect their skies. The future battlefield includes hypersonic missiles, laser weapons, electronic jamming, and satellite warfare. Air power now means dominating across all these domains, not just dogfighting at 30,000 feet. In the next war, bases might be destroyed in minutes. That's why air forces are practicing Agile Combat Employment, small fast-moving air teams launching missions from highways or temporary airstrips. Speed, flexibility, and surprise will be the key, not just firepower. The skies of tomorrow won't be won by muscle or metal alone, but by data, speed, and intelligence. AI drones, satellite networks, and 6th-generation fighters will define who controls the air and who controls the war. If you found this video informative, click that subscribe button now. We post high-quality research aviation content that you won't find anywhere else. This is DP Aviation, where sky is never the limit.